I'm trying to launch this car. I'll tell you what I have done to it, and I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. So, the car's a 2017 C43 AMG. It has a BMS tune. Right now I just have it on map 1, 93 octane gas in it. BMS intakes, and it has snow tires and lowered H&R VTF springs. So that is all that's done to it. All right, so that was just out of the box, like individual mode. So everything's Sport Plus except for suspension on comfort. And I had the traction control was just on normal. And that was a 211 60 foot. I don't know if you can see it. All right, that was a notable improvement. It still felt kind of doggy, but that was a 196 60 foot right there. So that seems a lot better than the 216 that it just did. So, all right. Now I'm gonna do it with everything off and see if it boosts still or if it falls on its face. All right, so that was the exact same. It actually felt the exact same and it boosted all the way through. So I'm thinking maybe when I have the sport mode on, like the traction control all the way off, maybe I was holding it too long or something. I don't know, but if 196 was the run I just did with everything off, 196 was the run before that with sport mode or whatever, and 211 is with everything on. So I'm gonna do another one and see if I can hold it into boost longer. All right, the second to last run was the exact same. It was just map 1, launching it as high as I could. It spins quite a bit, as you can see the marks on the ground. I like having the Dragy. What a cool tool to be able to do stuff like this where you can just like dial down, figure out what works, what doesn't. And I wish I had a better place to do this. In reality, I probably should do it facing this way, which is a dead end, instead of facing this way, which is the entrance. So I don't know, whatever. All right, building owners, I'm sorry, I did 6 hole shots here. It's actually, I would guess that this will be gone pretty quick, but it's also obvious that it was me because you can see my trail. I backed out and then went this way. Oh, well, I'm sure these snow tires are really loving these launches too. That's a beefy snow tire though, isn't it? Look at that thing.